Welcome to Sparkling Wonders. We will see home decor today. Let's go. Bird cage. So for a bird cage, we would require only two things. Cardboard of circle shape. I have two cardboards here of same size and a few bamboo sticks. Here either you can use bamboo sticks or paper straws. It's up to you. And of course hot glue. And let's see how we do it in the video. It is going to be very easy craft, a unique DIY. It goes well with your showpiece or centerpiece, or even for your balcony decor, or just to your entrance. Here I have used bamboo sticks and I have put glue and made the cage. And after this, either you can leave it as such or color it with black, white or spray paint. Again, it's up to you. So first part is over, all been sticked. So after this, you have to take the other circle, the cardboard, keep it on top. Okay, let me check. Now I'm taking the other cardboard. I'm gonna try to fix to the other side. So I'm gonna glue it and fix it. So after this, again I have taken the cardboard, I'm trying to fold it. This I'm going to fix it on top of the cage, so that when you want to tie it somewhere, you can use thread or string, attach along to it, and you can hang it anywhere. And that's been done. And this is how it looks. Give your home again a unique DIY. Try, do it yourself. Hope you like the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe Sparkling Wonders. Bye. Bye bye. See you next time.